Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and let me introduce you to this old classic, the Hershey's bar. This is a milk chocolate Hershey's bar, and this is the iconic chocolate bar. So these are awesome, of course, for so many things, whether you're just gonna eat it out of the package because you're craving a little chocolate, these are great. Or these are perfect for making s'mores or topping different baked goods. There's so many things that you can do with these. They're really versatile and very delicious. So these have little break apart squares, so they're perfect for sectioning off whether you are making s'mores or putting them on top of different desserts, or you just want to exercise some portion control. That makes it really easy to do. So these are a classic for a reason. They're very delicious. If you love milk chocolate, then you're gonna love these Hershey's bars. They melt great, they taste delicious, and that is my point of view.